What's up, YouTubers? Today we're going to learn how to read a tape measure. Alright, so here's the 4th inch mark and the 5th inch mark. Between these two, between 1 inch, there's 16 lines. Alright, so here's the 1/2 inch mark. Here's a 1/4 inch mark. So quarter would be 1/4. Then you go skip a 3. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Then there's the 8ths. That's 1/8. Then you skip 1, 2/8, 3/8, and so on. Then the last one is the 16ths. You never skip one. 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, and there's 16/16 out of this 1 inch. I hope you found this video useful, and see you on the channel.